So morning students, last class we learned about Derry and Mr. Lamb, and we learned that Mr. Lamb was very positive and Derry is always having negative attitude. That is, Lamb is started talking to Derry. So let us continue with the lesson. Mr. Lamb, you see Derry, but you still say peculiar things. So Derry is saying that Mr. Lamb is speaking something very strange. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some. Derry, what do you do all day? Mr. Lamb, sit in the sun, read books. Ha! You thought I was in an empty house, but inside it is full of books and other things full. So now Derry is very curious to know Mr. Lamb, how does he pass time? So Mr. Lamb is saying, inside his house a lot of books are there. He used to read a lot of books. Derry, but there are not any curtains at the windows. So another doubt, who is clearing? Derry is clearing. In the house there is no curtains. Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. So he doesn't like shutting things out and shutting things in. So in the light, I like the light. So he wanted light. That's why he did not put what? The curtains. And he likes to hear the sound of the wind. Derry, yes, I like that. When it is raining, I like to hear it on the roof. So Derry also very fond of hearing the rain. See, so you are not lost, are you? Not altogether. You do hear things, you listen. So who is saying that this? Mr. Lamb is saying that you are not lost, you are still enjoying so many things in the nature. Derry, they talk about me downstairs when I am not there. But what will he ever do? What is going to happen to him when we have gone? However, will he get on in this world looking like that with that on his face? That's what they say. Now he is narrating the incidents happening at his house. At his home, his parents were very afraid about his future, isn't it? Worried about his future. So they always talk about, if he is absent, they always talk about what he will do in the future. He has got such a bird face, so how will he survive in this world? They were very curious about it. Mr. Lamb, Lord, boy, you have got two arms. So he is expressing another side of life. So what is Mr. Lamb saying? Mr. Lamb is saying, Derry, you have two arms, two legs and eyes and ears. You have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest. And if you choose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. So he is saying that you have only one side of your face is burned. Rest of the things are still there. So why are you so much worried about it? Derry, how? Same way as I do. So Derry, Mr. Lamb is saying, see just the way I am facing this world. Derry, do you have any friends? Mr. Lamb, hundreds. Derry, but you live by yourself in that house and it is a big house too. So why are you staying here alone in this big house? If you have friends, why are you staying here alone? Mr. Lamb, friends everywhere. People come in, everybody knows me. The gate always open. They come and sit here and in front of the fire in winter. Kids come for the apples and pears and for toffee. I make toffee with honey. Anybody comes, so have you. Friends everywhere. He is saying that I have lot of friends. People used to come inside and the gate is always open. They come and sit here. And kids also comes in order to collect the apples and pears. And they used to come for toffee. And he used to make toffee with what? Honey. So that's why the people are visiting Mr. Lamb. And Derry, but I am not a friend. Mr. Lamb, certainly you are. So far as I am concerned, what have you done to make me think you are not? So Mr. Lamb is saying that he is considering even Derry also as his friend. Derry, you don't know me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. So Derry is saying that how can you make me a friend because you don't know my house, you don't know my name. Mr. Lamb, why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? So Derry, when Derry said that Mr. Lamb doesn't know his name and his house and all, so Mr. Lamb is asking what's the necessity of knowing all the names and details to become a friend. Derry, I suppose not. No. Mr. Lamb, you could tell me your name if you chose, and not, and if you didn't. If you like, you can tell me your name. Otherwise, if you don't like, don't share. Derry, if it is Dirk, but I hate that Derry. So Mr. Lamb indirectly asked him what is his name. So Derry is saying that my name is Derry, but it is Dirk. I don't like calling by Derry. If I am your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. If I am your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. Miss Lamb, certainly. Terry, I might never come here again. You might never see me again, and then I could not still be a friend. So Miss Derry is saying that I am not going to visit you the next time also. So it is not necessary you will be my friend. Mr. Lamb, why not? How could I? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean that they are friends. So he is saying that we people meet so many of them on the road, but we never meet them again. So they are not the friends. That is the example who is quoting. Derry is quoting. Mr. Lamb, doesn't mean they are enemies either, does it? So he is saying that the people we meet daily on the road, are they, if they are not friends, that doesn't mean that they are enemies. Derry, no, they are just nothing, people, that's all. So he considered them not as friends or as what? Enemies. They are simply people. That's what he said. Mr. Lamb, people are never just nothing. Never. So what did he say that? Mr. Lamb said that people are never just nothing. You can't consider people as nothing. Derry, there are some people I hate, Mr. Lamb, that do that should do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face. Yes, people are not harming them. Isn't it? Only acid burnt your one side of your face. There is asking, you are mentioning only. Mr. Lamb, like a bomb only blew up my leg. There is worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside. Only your face has gone, isn't it? Why are you so worried? Even the acid can burn your whole body also. Just like who? Like his own leg is blew up because of the bombing. Derry, after I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. See, when he had actually discharged from the hospital, people had given a lot of opinions. They said that he should have stayed with the same type of people. That means burned people. Why should he is brought in the house? He would have better off with others like himself. She thinks blind people only vote to be with the other blind people, and idiot boys with idiot boys. Means that is the general opinion of the people. What people used to say, all the blind people should stay together, all the burned people should stay together, and the idiot boys should be always with the idiot boys. Mr. Lamb, and people with no legs altogether? Derry said, yes, that's what I wanted to convey. Mr. Lamb, what kind of a world would that be? Derry, at least there would be nobody would be stare at you because you were not like them. So this is the Derry is saying that is better because people will not stare at you. That's what he's saying, Mr. Lamb. So you think you are just the same as all the other people with the burnt faces just by what you look like? Yeah. Everything is different. Everything is the same, but everything is different itself. So he is saying that, do you believe in that? That's what who is asking, Mr. Lamb. How do you make all that out, Mr. Lamb? Watching, listening and thinking. So who is saying that? Mr. Lamb is saying that I used to observe, I used to listen, and I used to think also. Derry, I would like a place like this, a garden. I would like a house with no curtains. So who started liking Mr. Lamb? Derry started liking Mr. Lamb. So Derry is saying that he also likes a house like Mr. Lamb, and he also likes to sit alone, and he likes to stay in a house without curtains. Mr. Lamb, the gate is always open. Derry, but this is not mine, Mr. Lamb. Everything is yours if you want it. What is mine is anybody's. Who is not so selfish, Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is saying that whatever he has, he considers it for others also. Derry. So I could come here again, even if you were out, I could come here, Mr. Lamb. Certainly, you might find others here, of course. So Mr. Lamb said that anytime you can visit my garden, there must be some other visitors also. Oh, Mr. Lamb. Well, that need not stop you. You needed mind, Derry. It would stop them. They would mind me. When they saw me here, they look at my face and run. So he who is worried, Derry is worried. Derry is saying that if the other people will see him, they will run away from that place. Because of what? Because of whose burnt face? Because of Derry's burnt face. That's what he is saying. I hope you understood.